So I'll just show you how to set up CarPlay. So we go back to media and then audio source, click on audio source, and then we want to wind it to mobile devices like so. It's on Barry's iPhone Pro there. Add Apple CarPlay. So select Apple CarPlay, confirm, just continue, connecting to Apple CarPlay, finish settings in CarPlay, connect to CarPlay, connect. Allow. That's it. That's your Apple CarPlay. With Apple CarPlay, you can do pretty much anything.